Starting. So, good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's session of Prevail with William O'Neill India, dated Feb 6, 2024. Before we go ahead, I would like to give a small disclaimer that registration granted by SEBI, membership of BASIL, and certification of NISM is no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investment security markets are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Next slide. Raju, next slide. Raju,
Yeah, this is next time.
the slide is not moving. Acha, remove the full screen mode and go normal. I mean, it's fine. Yeah, yeah. Back.
Oh,
Yeah, thank you. Sorry for the inconvenience. And if you talk about yesterday's session, as you can see, Nifty had a muted opening. It made a high, intraday high within the first half an hour of the trading session. It kind of was trading flat for the first half of the trading session, and during the second half, there was imminent selling pressure. And as you can see, it nosedived around 150 points from the day's highs. But the good point is that Nifty is still a couple of good points. Nifty is still holding its 21 DMA, that is the green line. It's just marginally trading above the 21 DMA at this moment. To yesterday's session, if we see, uh, volumes were slightly lower than Friday's session, hence, no distribution day was recorded. So those who are new, distribution day is used by William O'Neill to gauge market weakness. So when market falls by more than 0.2% on volumes higher than the previous day, we record it as a distribution day. So yesterday the volume counter did not tick, and hence it was not recorded as a distribution day. The current distribution day count at this moment is 5, and one distribution day is expected to get expired this week, and one on either Friday or Monday. So if no more distribution days are recorded, then probably the distribution day count is expected to get reduced. Going forward, however, if we're in uptrend under pressure at this moment, if the 50 DMA line gets breached and more distribution days get added, we'll go to a downtrend. If the recent high of 22,124 gets reclaimed, we'll go to an uptrend. Next slide. Thank you. Uh, so if you talk about the results seasons are on at this moment, and Tata Chem Q3 FY24 revenue declined 10.1% YY to 3730 crores. Profit declined 60.3% YY to 158 crores. EBITDA margin contracted 770 bips YY to 14.5%. One major result, Bharti Airtel's Q3 FY24 PAT missed estimates. Revenue increased 2.3% YOY to 37,900 crores. PAT increased 82.2% YOY to 442.2 crores. EBITDA margins contracted 20 pips YOY to 52.9%. IEX total volumes in January increased 21.6% YOY to 10,893 MU. Real-time electricity market volume increased 13.2% YOY. Suven Pharma's Q3 FY24 revenue declined 37.9% YOY to 19.8 crores. Profit declined 56.6% YOY to 46.5 crores. EBITDA margin contracted 1180 bips YOY 29.7%. Results that are expected to be announced today are Ajmera Realty, Britannia Industries, CAMS, EIH Limited, Everready Industries, FEM Industries, Radico Khaitan, Trident, among others. Next slide. Talking about global market, talking about US markets yesterday, all the three indices closed lower. Dow Jones closed lower by 0.7%, S&P 500 by 0.3%, Nasdaq by 0.2%. Asian markets barring Shanghai, the other two indices are trading lower. Nikkei trading lower by 0.7, Kospi by 0.6, Shanghai is trading higher by 1.1%. Gift Nifty is indicating a muted opening. Around very close to yesterday's close. If you see yesterday, if we talk about Gift Nifty's opening, but the only thing is that barring Shanghai, which is having its own issues at this moment. The other global indices close lower. If that might exert some kind of pressure on the Indian markets as well. And yesterday also, after a muted to slightly higher opening, there was selling pressure in the market. If that continues, maybe there can be some kind of jitteriness in the Indian market as well. Holding of the 21 DMA becomes very important. If 21 DMA gets breached, then it can, it can cause some jitteriness, because at this moment as well, if you talk about the last week's trading activity, 21 DMA was the key, and 21 DMA is where market is currently oscillating at this moment. Next slide. So for us, the chart of the day is at this moment is Keynes Technology. As you can see, the stock is forming a stage three base at this moment, and it's 4% to pivot. The RS line is hitting a new high, which is a really good sign. All the three, uh, in terms of the ratings, are very good. EPS strength at 99, price strength at 88, and buyer demand at B. The stock is still 4% of pivot, so which is not, bad at this moment. Not relatively very close to pivot and not far away. So there is good chance of catching the stock. And if going forward in this 4%, if we get a relative amount of accumulation, that is, stock moves higher on above average volumes, it can be a good sign. If we come to the fundamentals, return on equity for the stock at 17% is very good. If you look at the 4 to 5 quarter results of the stock, the results have been in momentum. As one can see, the December results have been out as well, and that is why you can see it has the best EPS strength of 99. On the I or the institutional part, the fund holding have been increasing more than 50% on quarter basis, which is a very good sign. So going forward, if the markets hold up and the stock breaks out on above average volume, it can definitely be a good stock to watch out for. Yeah. Next. So thank you, and that's it from my side. And stay tuned to the space of Pre-Bell with William O'Neill India from Monday to Friday at 8:45 a.m. sharp.